at one of my favorite Kenkey spots. We're talking food today, some of my favorite things. So this is one of my favorite Kenkey spots. It's right around, it's on Oxford Street, Oxford Street, make a right, a left, and you right here, okay? So right by Urbana Hotel, you take that, you make that left, and you are right here by my favorite Kenkey spot. So we're gonna see how they make Kenkey. Let's see how they make it. Let's see what goes into it. You know, Kenkey is made out of fermented corn, but let's go. No further ado, let's go. Hi everybody, I'm here at one of my favorite Kenkey spots in Osun whenever I'm in Ghana. I come here, my auntie brought me here, said she used to live in this building, Auntie Justina. So she brings me here, I eat the Kenkey here all the time. It's really, really delicious. But like I told you guys a little bit of how Kenkey is made, but I want to talk to the people that make the Kenkey and tell you a little bit more about it and how it's made and what goes into the process of making Kenkey, which is one of my favorite food. And Kenkey is a hard dish to make, very, very hard. People that make Kenkey are experts because everybody can make Kenkey. Maybe everybody can make banku, but not Kenkey. All right, without further ado, let's talk to one of the brains behind this operation, Margaret, right? Auntie Margaret? We don't call her Auntie Margaret. Auntie Margaret, tell us a little bit about how long have you been here making Kenkey? How long?
Kenkey is about 40 years now.
40 years?
40 good years.
You look 50, so you started at 10.
No, I'm 73 now.
Hey, you don't look it. So what are the steps of making Kenkey or, creating Kenkey? What are the steps?
First of all, you have to buy the maize or the corn, anyhow you call it. And then you put it in water for 3-4 days for it to become soft so that when you are blending it, it comes out smoothly.
Yes.
Yes. And then secondly, after putting it in the water and then blending it to become soft, you prepare it like in the banku form.
Yes.
But when you are cooking banku, you add corn dough. But then this one is just the maize.
The fermented maize.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. The fermented maize. So when it's well cooked and then you take it out from the pot and then you cover it for like a day for the hotness to calm down.
Exactly.
And then you have to mold it into balls in the Kenkey form and then use the maize leaves to cover it up and then mold it and then put it down for I think a day. Yes. And then cook it. After cooking it, it takes like how many hours?
About 1 hour. About 2 hours.
So it takes like 3 hours to be well cooked.
Wow.
That's ready to eat for so it takes like 3 hours.
And how long does Kenkey last after? I know I could put it. I put it in the freezer.
Kenkey doesn't get spoiled.
It doesn't get spoiled.
Yeah, sure.
But you also make the fish here too, right?
Yeah, we do make the fish.
So where do you guys get your fish from, and how do you,
We buy it from the seashore.
Okay.
At ACCRA.
So fresh.
Yes, very fresh.
Very fresh
yes,
fish.
Alive.
And you fry, and then you fry. You fry it along with the Kenkey, or after the Kenkey is made and everything.
After the Kenkey is made, it's in a process.
Yeah.
You watch whether the Kenkey, the kind of fish you're having, will go with the Kenkey, or maybe the quantity can reach the Kenkey. If it can't, then you have to buy and add it to it, and then you fry everything together, and then we sell it.
Oh, okay. And you make your own chiton and
we make our own
green
red
sauce,
pepper, black pepper, green sauce, and everything.
So all that is done as you're making the Kenkey, you're making the pepper, you're making the fish.
We have people who do the Kenkey, we have people who do the fish, and then we have people who do the pepper.
How big is the team? How many of you are here making it?
It's a family business, so it's quite a lot.
Oh, okay.
It comes like maybe
10 people could get to do. And how many Kenkeys do you think you make in a day? Like, what is your?
It's quite a lot. We can make like 500 balls in a day.
Wow. 500.
Sure.
That's a lot. And you guys almost sell out sometimes most of the time, right?
Sure, we do. We get orders as well.
Yes.
So we do orders for any occasion, wedding, outdooring, engagements, parties, and everything. We do orders.
And what's the name of the business?
Well Dutch Kenkey Boutique.
Well Dutch?
Kenkey Boutique.
Kenkey Boutique.
Sure. Sure, we do. We have a contact.
Oh, give me the contact so we can have
0243 485914.
Say it one more time, so just in case.
0243 485914.
14.
Yes,
okay.
please.
So if people want to make sure you get your Kenkey, but they don't have to order in before everybody has finished, right? So when do you stop selling at night?
We start selling from 6 a.m. And then we close at 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
Sure.
And then back again at
Same,
3 a.m. again. Ah! This is hard work. This is hard work. Thank you so much for sitting with me and telling me a little bit about what goes into making the kenkey, and also somebody told me about a kenkey thing that you can take kenkey and you can grind it and put sugar and they make a drink out of it. What is that?
That's mashed kenkey.
I never had that before. It's good?
It's very nice. You can add a very chilled milk to it and you're good to go.
That's why I'm big, because I like kenkey.
You just mash it.
You just
then
mash
you add
it.
sugar and milk to it.
And that's it. Oh, okay. Okay. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, Abby.
Sure.
Okay, then thank you. All right, guys, so that was a little bit about how kenkey is made by one of my favorite kenkey joints in Osun. Oxford Street is right by 1 Oxford Street. You just make a left and it's right over there. So make sure you come down here, get your kenkey, and we're going to show you how the magic goes on at night. So I'm going to go and take some wings right now, and we'll be here in the morning to see as they're preparing the magic that I love. Thank you, guys. Stay tuned as Trubaker Takes Ghana. I'm not even a morning person, but I have to come here for Auntie because Auntie makes her kenkey in the morning. So we have to be here to capture everything that's happening. This is all of the maize that they use. You know, they have to ferment this maize and make it for the kenkey. And there goes my friend right there that woke me up this morning. So let's check it out and see what's happening here as they're getting ready for the day to create their kenkey and sell their kenkey right here in Osun Street. Okay? Let's go see. This is the shrimp, right? Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot over here. It's burning hot. The kenkey is cooking. It is crazy hot over here. We are talking kenkey today. Kenkey, which is one of my favorite Ghanaian dishes. And I just want to tell you there's 2 types of kenkey. Today we are going to be covering Ghan kenkey, but I want to let you know that there's Fanti kenkey and there's Ghan kenkey. The different taste textures is Ghan is more sour. Fanti has the sour, but not as sour. So if you're looking for there's two types of kenkey. So if you're looking for your kenkey, you could try the Fanti and try the Ghan. I like the Ghan kenkey and I'm Fanti. Can you imagine that? But I love the Ghan kenkey because I like sour taste profile. So stay tuned, keep it locked. We got a lot in store when it comes to, I'm a foodie, so we're definitely gonna have a lot of food segments. See you guys soon. It's Trubaker Takes Ghana, guys. Trubaker Takes, and you know what Trubaker is? Let me remind you, it's an African brand made by 2 Ghanaian brothers. So make sure you collect your coins together. It's the holidays and buy your Trubaker gear. It's glitter. Fish is frying, and this is the kenkey. So guys, this is the fish is frying for deliciousness, and this is the kenkey. Get up the. It's just been boiled. Let me get the big pot. Avocado is usually like a side item, like the extra item on kenkey. So they have tons and tons of fresh avocados here. This is avocado heaven, and you know avocado is the good fat, right? So this is all the avocado they use when they're doing the kenkey. So you have your kenkey, you have your fish, you have your shito, which is like blended peppers. Either they have green, they have red, like a dark burnt red, and then they have the fresh peppers and onions that they cut up and have for you to chop when you're eating your kenkey. That's it. That's all you need in life is a good plate of kenkey, and you're ready to go. That's my favorite #1 Ghanaian dish. Trubaker Takes Ghana. We did chop too. And do you know the owner of Trubaker, his favorite food is kenkey too? Jerry loves kenkey. You guys keep it locked, stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and like, hit the bell icon, because we have a lot of Ghana to show you, and I know you want to see what Trubaker does with all of Ghana. Talk to you guys soon, it's glitter! I have my kenkey.